This is beginners to check some tools used in modeling. You have to set the unit as your project. If you have reference image, then use it. Create a box and set the weight, height, length. Select box and right click, convert to editable poly. Select the front polygon and apply inset. Extrude inside. Select the top polygon and extrude upward. Now select this side polygon and extrude outside. Extrude downward the new create polygon. Select this front polygon and insert it, and then extrude same amount that previous side have. Now select these two edges and connect. Select these two polygons and extrude inside. Again, same process for this side. Extrude inside the upper polygon, and the lower polygons extrude outside. Select edges and apply chamfer.
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Cringing in my sentimental mind.
Now on top side, select these edges and connect. Select these polygons and extrude upward. Again, extruded a lower amount. Select the new polygons from side and extrude it. Go to top view and increase cylinder. Place it in proper place and clone it, and place it on other side.
Acting like you
For creating a handle for draw, go to extend primitives and create CEXT. Set the value for making it a handle. Place it on the drawer. Clone it for second drawer. Add a V-Ray material for render. Texturing, lighting, and render setting will be on next tutorial.
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Binging in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. Now it's taken so for granted.